Mon go bonsoir, sou cause l'école, nous obligés parler avec nous assurants parce que je dis c'est dernier épisode non avant Thanksgiving, nous te voulons dire tout le monde un happy Thanksgiving. Un jour côté nous connaît un peu le monde pour aller voyager, pour aller et passer temps avec famille yo. Et n'a dit pendant faire ça pour safe pour prendre précaution tout parce que nous toujours en pandémie parce que nous toujours gain Covid dehors hein. Nous connaissons un peu de monde qui pas prend vaccin hein? Et un peu de monde qui pas même mettre masque et il dit que les nécessaire pour capable soit mettre masque ou bien prendre vaccin et même l'offre prendre vaccin hein, on sait de situation qu'on y est ou obligé mettre masque quand même. Alors encore n'a dit passer un bon Thanksgiving week et prendre soin de tout pour capable toujours continuer à suivre nous sur cause de l'école. À soir, santé pour nous porter pour c'est we wanted to talk about the SCOIR, 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 and Common App, Common Application and SCOIR. When you're in high school, you're about to apply to college, you need to have 4 accounts that are necessary. So you need to have an ACT account, an SAT account, you need to have a Common App, and you need to have a SCOIR account. So of course the ACT is for you to take the ACT exam. The SAT is for you to take the SAT exam, and those 2 exams you can use to replace the FSA. You can use them to receive scholarships, for example, the Bright Future Scholarship. You can also use them for college admission. And the last time I spoke about the SUS matrix, you see that admission in all the state universities is based on the SAT or the ACT. So the third one is the Common App. What is the Common App? It's called the Common Application. So you need a common application, meaning you can do one application and that one application goes to all the schools that you apply. So if you're applying to 5 or 6 different colleges, you don't need to do 6 applications. All you need is one application, and that application is good for all 6. There are many schools that are not on Common App. That's when you have to do the Send EDU. That's when you have to do QuestBridge and a few other platforms. But most schools, most colleges and universities are on Common App. So meaning all you need is one application, and that application goes to all the schools that you have applied for. The 4th account you need to have is the SCOIR account. It's called SCOIR account, SCOIR. This is the account that the counselor in the school or the college advisor, one of those 2 people, they use that account to send your documents to those colleges. So we don't use the Common App to send documents anymore per the district. They don't want us to use Common App. So we don't use Common App anymore. We use SCOIR. That's why everyone needs to have a SCOIR account. So that way, when you start applying to colleges, when you start making requests for teacher recommendation, counselor evaluation, so that way we can send those documents for you on your SCOIR account, right? If you need a fee waiver, we send that on SCOIR account. If you need a school profile, we send that through your SCOIR account. So it's crucial for you to have a SCOIR account. If you don't know how to create that account, you need to email your school counselor, email your school college advisor, which is the CAP advisor. Email either one of them so they can send you the link for you to create your SCOIR account. You need to do that through Clever, and that's the platform that they use in order for you to create your SCOIR account. So you need 4 accounts: an ACT, an SAT, a Common App, and a SCOIR account. So that's part of the process for you to apply to college. So those of you right now that are doing college applications, I know you've already gone to early decision. Some of you are now doing early actions. The deadline was November 1st, and today is November 20th. Some schools still allow you to submit your application for early action. But pretty soon, within a week or so, early action is going to be closed. So everything is going to be based on regular decision, right? So we only have 2 decisions left, regular and rolling decision. So rolling doesn't have a deadline. Regular decision does have a deadline. So you need to make sure you submit your application so that way you can be reviewed to be given admission at a university or college. So again, don't forget to do your Bright Future Scholarship application as of December 1st. That's when you can create an account. Don't forget to apply for financial aid, which is called FAFSA. That was opened back in October, and I can guarantee you, if I do a survey right now, I will find many seniors who have yet to apply for financial aid. And the longer you wait, the less money you will receive. And the longer you wait, again, you will receive less money because the money is there. And if you miss the deadline, then the government keep that money and you no longer qualify to receive financial aid. And this is how you can pay for your school for free, right? So when you receive that financial aid package, the financial aid package, you will receive your grant, your scholarship, your work study. All of that will be part of your financial aid package. So nap salue Lionel kap gade nou. Nap di yo se yon moun ki toujou la chaque samedi li la lap gade nou sou koze l'école. Nap di nou aprese sa. On ap voyon go coup de chapeau pour lui. Et pour tout reste l'autre moun yo kap gade nou tou. Et nous fait nous connaître que li important pour gagner 4 accounts élèves captain de nous, il faut gagner un ACT, SAT, un Common App avec un SCOIR account. Dans SCOIR account là, c'est lui-même nous utiliser pour nous voir les documents qu'on a besoin pour collège là recevoir pour capable admettre dans l'école là. So c'est ça qui fait les très important pour gagner un SCOIR account. Si par contre qui gens pour créer compte ça, c'est pour contacter conseiller l'école là, contacter collège advisor, puis capable de dire qui gens pour créer SCOIR account ça parce que gagnons l'autre account qu'on besoin gagner qui est common application. Common application là on fait une seule application et puis il y a aller dans tout collège qu'on a appliqué pour lui. Et collège gagne 2-3 collèges qui pas sur plateforme ça, mais presque tout collège là-dedans. Ça veut dire là fait une seule application là je joindre toute l'autre l'école yo. Et longtemps nous t'ai envoyé documents by collège à travers plateforme ça qui est les common application, mais d'après district là nous pas utiliser common application là encore, nous utiliser SCOIR. C'est ça qui fait ou même qui dans 10 grades ou même qui dans 11 grades ou même qui dans 12 grades actuellement là ou doit gagner un SCOIR account. ACT, SAT, Common Application avec SCOIR. 4 comptes ça ou doit gagner. N'a pas rappelé pour faire application pour Bright Future à partir de 1er décembre. FAFSA qui c'est Financial Aid ou tu dois gagner en application déjà parce que les ouvert depuis 1er octobre et nous pas même pour perdre du temps. Tout le temps au perdu, c'est moins scope, moins aux chances de gagner pour recevoir mon temps côté de recevoir dans main gouvernement. Alors on a dit pour faire application FAFSA pour capable recevoir comme que de recevoir. Et rester 2 et type de admission, rester en admission régulière là avec admission rolling là. Admission et early decision avec early action là, deadline là presque fini. qu'on a arrêté deux types d'admission, admission régulière avec admission qui pas gain limite. Ça veut dire pas besoin de deadline, pas gain l'école là capable remplir une application à n'importe moment parce que yo pas gain deadline. So c'est un type de application ça nous pourra rentrer. N'a dit nous souhaiter ou même captain de nous that you take this seriously. You take your schooling seriously, you study, you do your homework, so that way you can have the GPA necessary for you to qualify to go to a good school. As always, on Cause de l'École, we leave you with a thought, and the thought for today is very thoughtful. What I would like to leave you with is, can the truth be a lie? Can the truth be a lie? Est-ce que vérité capable on menti? Est-ce que l'on bail en vérité qu'on bail là, c'est on menti que lié? Est-ce que ça possible? So c'est penser ça m'a quitté non avec la soirée, on a réfléchi sur lui et puis n'a pas encore samedi prochain. Once again, have a great Thanksgiving. It was a pleasure to be with you. And I look forward to see you next Saturday. Good evening and welcome to Cause de l'École. Today is Saturday, the 23rd of October. It's a pleasure for us to be here with you once again to talk about different topics regarding schools. As we indicated last Saturday, today we'll be talking about different types of high school diplomas. When you graduate high school, it depends on the type of courses you've taken and many other situations. We will discuss the many different types of high school, but before we do that, we always refresh your memory regarding what we discussed last Saturday. So last Saturday we spoke about the SUS matrix. The SUS matrix is a guide for the 12 state universities in Florida, and those universities, they have the GPA requirements, the testing requirements based on the SAT or ACT, and we urge you to go to our YouTube channel to watch what we discussed regarding the SUS matrix. There are 23 different types of high school diplomas. So basically, when you graduate high school, we know that there are students who receive a diploma, some of them don't. But there are 23 different types of high school diplomas, 23. And you'll probably be shocked or surprised